Well, hey family, this is Darlene stopping by like really quick. When I got in earlier this evening, I started working on some more men necklaces. I really like this one, and what I started to do was add two more of the wire beads. There's a video showing how to make the wire beads, but I started to add two more of the wire beads, like right up in here. So if I add them here, it gives it more, I think, a masculine look. This is not bad right here either because it's silver. Um, you got the silver. You got one of these beads that I painted. And then I was kind of caught between if I'm going to paint, not paint, but put a little light gloss on the black beads. And I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to take them loose and put a little, just a light gloss like this right here. I didn't want to because it makes it look a little feminine. But then I'm like, okay, I do need a protective covering over the paint. So the paint doesn't do this right here. So this is just a bead that didn't get painted all the way. So if I don't put a little gloss on it, chances are all the beads will start doing this. They'll start fading. So I don't want anything to fade. I want everything to look good. I am going tomorrow, probably. There's some supplies. There's some different something I want to use that I'm going to pick up tomorrow to create some more necklaces. It's just an idea that I have. So these here are, of course, the bone beads. And then these little silver ones here are washers. And I think the washers are number 10 size washers. That's what these are. So when you look at that, it does add a nice little accent to the necklace. So then you got your little silver here. And then you got all this. And then just black beads. So I like the way it came out. It looks really, really nice. So my thought is to make a lot of, men necklaces, just to see what they look like. So I didn't videotape myself making this or any of the other ones because I'm just like in a trial period, just really testing it out, seeing what they look like. If they come out looking really nice, to where I want to keep making them like this, then I will do that. With this necklace, like I said, I am going to take it apart and then, put the little light gloss on it. And then I'll probably leave it like this, just with these two. And then the next necklaces that I make, I'll add maybe more to kind of fill in the bottom part. And I'm still going to use, the crosses, the black cross. And even if I did it like this, use the black cross and did it this way, that still looks masculine. That doesn't look feminine to me at all. It looks very masculine. I think anytime you start working with black and silver and black and silver, that cappuccino color, dark brown, I think you kind of got something when you start, using those colors. Those are more masculine. And I know we get into the habit of a lot of, feminine pieces and what we call unisex too. So I want to go more towards just really, even with the masculine ones, I mean, they could be unisex, but my mindset is I really just want to go straight, like it looks mannish, like it just looks like a man. That's what I'm going for. And it's going to take me a little bit, but I'm going to get there. So I am going to be popping up some videos that's going to be, very masculine pieces. And that's what I'm shooting for right now. But anyway, this was the most recent. I like the way it came out. You guys let me know. And thank you for your comments too for the other two necklaces. Appreciate that. Because I think this one looks very masculine too. And I wasn't really sure with this bead because of the coloring in it. But it does match. I mean, it really, to me looks masculine. So that's good stuff. I like the way it came out. Anyway, Darling Night for Jewelry by BDK. I'm going to post up here and make a couple more pieces. Kind of play with some, you know, play with some colors. I am going to play with the brown wire. So the brown wire and also the silver wire. These are very masculine colors as well. And also the I got some copper color too. And I am going to be using probably all three of these colors. And then I have some black wire too. So I'm gonna see what I can come up with. But anyway, Darling Night for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what, folks? We'll talk.